Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add phone number to your Roblox account and how to fix the problem if that option is missing. So first you need to open your Roblox and log into your account. After that you will see the gear icon, you click on that and you choose settings. Here in the account information you should see phone number just under the email section, and you should see the option to add. But if you can't see it, it means either your region doesn't support adding phone number to your Roblox account or you have another problem. So if your country doesn't accept phone number, so there is no solution for that. But if your country accept phone number but you can't see the option, you should go to Roblox support. You fill those information, username, first name and email address. After that, here you choose the device. For me, for example, it's PC, and here you are going to choose the first option, account hacked or can't login in, and here in the subcategory type you are going to choose other login issues, and here in the description you are going to type, for example, I can't see adding phone number or something like this. You describe the problem for you and just you click on continue, and you will wait until the support contact you. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.